Hello, if you're a small business owner running your own stores, this video is for you. Ever feel like your store could use a little more organization? Like maybe there's a better way to showcase all those amazing products you have? Welcome to this edition of Retail Refresher. I am Madhumita Mohanty, a retail industry professional with over 2 decades of experience with top retailers in India. Today, I will share all that you need to know about planogramming. Planogramming basically gives the position of each product in your store. It helps you utilize your space effectively. Think of it as your secret weapon to boost sales and profits. By strategically positioning your SKUs or stock keeping units, you can guide your customers through a journey. A journey that makes them find what they're looking for and, more importantly, discover things they didn't even know they wanted. Imagine this. A customer walks into your store looking for, say, a hairdryer. Thanks to your well-designed planogram, they not only find the hairdryer quickly, but also come across a flashy new gadget they can't resist. That's an extra sale right there. But it's not just about random placements. A good planogram considers product categories, customer behaviors, and even eye-level positioning. It's all about making the shopping experience as smooth and engaging as possible. And when customers have a great experience, they're more likely to come back. So, if you haven't already, it's time to dive into the world of planogramming. Start by analyzing your store layout, understand your customer flow, know the category adjacencies, and map out your SKUs smartly. For example, a customer looking to buy a loaf of bread may also be interested in buying jam. So it makes sense to have these complementary products displayed next to each other. That is getting the right category adjacency. Watch as your sales climb and your customers leave happier than ever. Remember, a well-planned store is one of the steps in the ladder to a profitable store. And don't forget, planogramming is an ongoing process. Regularly review and update your planogram to keep up with changing trends and customer preferences. This way, you can ensure that your store remains fresh, relevant, and always ready to meet the needs of your customers. What are the main benefits of planogramming for a retailer? 1. A planogram helps in optimizing shelf space by giving every product the attention they deserve. 2. Planogramming improves customer experience by helping them find what they need easily and even discover new items. 3. It can significantly increase sales by clever product placements. By strategically placing products, retailers can guide customers through the store, making it easier for them to find what they need. This not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also encourages impulse buying, which can boost overall sales. Imagine walking into a store and effortlessly finding the items you need without any hassle or confusion, while also being tempted by well-placed products that catch your eye and spark your interest. 4. Planogramming allows for better inventory management. By having a clear map of where each SKU belongs, store staff can easily identify which items need restocking and which ones are overstocked. That's the magic of a well-executed planogram, a blend of art and science. A well-thought-through planogram turns a mundane shopping trip into an engaging and enjoyable experience. So, how are planograms created? Initially, planograms were manually created, often using simple tools like graph paper or Excel sheets. Store merchandisers would physically stack products, capture their arrangement, and then document it for future reference. This method, while effective, was labor-intensive and prone to human error. However, with the advent of technology, planogramming has taken a giant leap forward. Specialized software programs are available, designed to create and support financially sound and visually appealing merchandising plans. One of the most significant advantages of digital planogramming is its ability to adapt quickly to changes, whether it's a new product launch, a seasonal shift, or a promotional event. Digital tools allow retailers to update their planograms swiftly and efficiently. This flexibility is crucial in today's fast-paced retail environment, where staying ahead of trends and customer preferences can make all the difference. In summary, a planogram is a method of displaying the diverse products in a store in an organized manner, using a blend of both art and science. A retailer can use planogram as a strategic tool to guide a customer's journey through their store. A well-designed planogram can make shopping an easier and enjoyable experience for the customer while giving several other benefits to the retailer. While the fundamentals of planogramming remain the same, the tools and techniques have evolved from manual to digital, making the process more efficient and impactful. So, whether you're a small business owner or a large retail chain, investing in smart planogramming solutions can be a game changer for your store's success. Hope you found this edition of Retail Refresher useful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do like and subscribe to the channel if you wish to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.